Puistokatu 30 to 32, Steg is C. We have also the Steg as A and B here, we can try later. There are 8 floors here, the Steg is original, except the interior walls have been replaced in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Maybe late 1990s, but otherwise still original. It was actually built in 1961. Probably late 1961 as it has a lamp indicator.
Yeah.
Actually turning 60 years old this year in 2021. The serial number is H9131. And there's a floor U, which is the attic floor.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. And it is faster.
Yeah.
And that sounds like the machine was upgraded.
Yeah.
Maybe in the late 1990s. But still amazing.
Yeah.
And it also has the Tule indicator, which means it's coming.
Yeah.
At first I thought this was from the late 1950s, but it's 1961, but still in late 1950s style a little bit.
Yeah.
Outside, but inside it's more like early 1960s.
Yeah.
Because it has MPN6 completely. No. Yeah, memory.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. We can try.
Yeah. Inspektiivaa, kiva inspektointi eteenpäin virkamaistekniikka.
Not a good maintenance.
Yeah.
Should have been Kone.
Yeah.
I like the braking sounds.
Yeah, same here.
Even though it's not quite original, but still. There is memory.
Yeah.
So this is upgraded with memory.
Yeah.
I don't think it's been memory originally.
Yeah, no. Unfortunately, it still has RCL
But
fixtures.
there's importing, but I don't believe this has a...
Yeah.
Of course, it's not impossible, but I don't think it has it. It had it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's hope we will get to the fixes.
That's